अमरीकी नायब सदर जेडी वेंस का कहना था कि आमन के लिए ईरान के مثبت किरदार के ख्वाहां हैं। उन्होंने मशरिक़ वस्ता में आमन के क़याम को अपनी तरजीह करार दिया। अमरीकी नायब सदर ने मुज़ाकरात को आगे बढ़ाने में वज़ीर आज़म शहबाज शरीफ और फील्ड मार्शल आसिम मुनीर के किरदार को सराहा।
And his very careful and skilled negotiation has got us to this point. To his field marshal in Pakistan, Asim Munir, I will say that since Field Marshal Munir welcomed us with the Prime Minister in Islamabad, I have joked that I have two very, very important people in my life, an Indian and a Pakistani. The Indian is my wife, and the Pakistani is Field Marshal Munir. And I've probably talked to Field Marshal Munir more than I've talked to anybody else over the last 3 months. We would not be here without his statesmanship. He is, of course, a great military leader, but I think he's shown himself to be a great diplomat. And, of course, who's an amazing friend of the United States of America, but has been also an important part of getting us to this point. I think it's important for the American people, but people all over the world to appreciate.